be showing you how to crochet this skirt for American Girl dolls. We also sell clothes for American Girl dolls on Etsy, La Hobby Shop. And now let's get started. This is what you will need to crochet the skirt overalls for American Girl dolls. Yarn size 4, thread, 2 buttons, stitch keepers, and 3mm hook. I like these buttons really much because they're really cute. Chain 56 and join to the first stitch. And now we're going to be working in a round. You're going to do single crochets around the round until your desired length. My length is about 11.5 centimeters. I am done with the first round. Now slip into the first single crochet. And now repeat the same thing you have been doing the first round to your desired length. I'm done with the skirt and I have 11.5 centimeters, and now we're going to start the last row. In the last row, you're going to do back stitches, so you keep your loop high and then get your loop like this, and you're going to do a chain like this, and repeat this over and over to the end of the row. And I'll meet you there. This is how it should look like. And then now we're going to start the straps. So you're going to have 9 here and 9 here, so 18 in total. Row 1, you're going to chain 1 and do 1 single crochet to the end, 18 in total. And don't forget to hide a thread. Now meet you there. Chain your 1 and turn. And now you're gonna decrease. So you're gonna get 2 single crochets together into 1 single crochet, so like this. And now do 1 single crochet all the way to the end, but at the end do a decrease too. Chain 1 and turn. And now you're going to do the same thing as you done in the last round. So you're going to take 2 single crochets in the front together and at the end. So 1 single crochet all the way to the end, and you're going to decrease at the end. I'm done with row 3, and you should have 14 stitches. And I'll chain 1 and turn. And I'll do the same thing as we've been doing in the last 3 rounds. I'm done with row 4. You should have 12 stitches, and now you're going to chain 1 and turn. And I'll do the same thing as we've been doing the last rounds. So you're going to decrease in the front and then decrease at the end. I'm done with row 5, and you have 10 stitches left. So you're going to chain 1 and turn. Now do 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of the row. And repeat this 2 more times. Chain 1 and turn. And I'll do 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. chain 1 and turn, and repeat this until you have 15 centimeters. So I have about 15 centimeters, and now we're gonna do the buttonhole. So you're gonna chain 1, and turn, and now you're gonna do 1 single crochet, and chain 2, and then you're gonna skip 2, and in the last one you're gonna do 1 single crochet. And now you're gonna chain 1 and turn, and now inside the hole you're gonna do 7 single crochets. And this is how the buttonhole should look like. So I'm done with the first strap, and this is how the buttonhole should look like. I hid the thread, and now you're gonna have to do the second one. You're gonna start from here, and you're gonna go 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you should have 2 stitches left in the middle. And I'll meet you there when I'm done with the second strap. I sewed on the buttons, and this is how it looks like. Like and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!